Hello, welcome to the new look Peach Christian shop. We've been very busy putting together a brand new shop for you guys to come visit, and we're very proud of it. So come over to Partridge Green and have a look. It also happily gives us a great opportunity to show to you our menswear collection in a much clearer way in a nice retail environment. So I'd like to take you through today our range of summer shirts, starting off with the textured polo. This one is white, comes with a baby blue trim. It's rib cotton, 100% breathable, fantastic bit of clobber for the summer. These go very, very well. Also comes in a navy, also the baby blue trim. I like a navy shirt in the summer, can get a bit hot, but I particularly prefer them, so I'll be grabbing one of these. Always a bit of a winner here, so get them while you can. And as always, we have our linen shirt, short sleeve. This year, our clever merchandising department have gone with a nice, tidy, hidden button down, as you might be able to see there, keeping things very neat and organised. I think it's a great addition actually this year. These come in 4 colours, a navy blue, a yellow and a pink. If you could get your hands on them, which I hope you come into the shop, you can really feel how good quality this linen is. It's really tight. We're getting it from the best suppliers, so recommended. And as always, Peter Christian aficionados will know we have the Hawaiian shirt. There's guys of you out there that are going to have the whole lot. I think this is the 6th or 7th iteration of it. And again, we've gone for a nice light blue with an orange hibiscus flower, which is traditional on Hawaiian shirts. And it's got a kind of leery bit of foliage here at the bottom. This one sells out, so get your hands on these while you can. That is it's a bit of a summer must-have. So please, we're here, we're online, we're on the phones, America, UK, give us a call, or if you want to, please come into our brand new shop. We're happy to host you here in Partridge Green.